So, diseases of the kidney. The diseases of the kidney. Number one, nephritis. Then we have diuresis. We have diabetes insipidus. We have hydropsy, the kidney stone, and others. So, what are the effects of kidney diseases? When we say effects, what is the negative effects to man? We have the uremia. Uremia is the retention of toxic waste in the body. You see people who cannot pass out urine. It's a problem. So the toxic waste is retained in the body. So it's called uremia. Then edema, fluid retention and swelling of tissues. It's called the edema. Then we have acidosis, that is excess acid in the body. It's called what? Acidosis. Then we have the alkalosis, excess alkaline in the body. So all these wastes are expected to be removed from the body for good health. So we also need to look at the excretion in plants. What are the things that plants excrete? Plants excrete water vapor, they excrete oxygen and carbon dioxide through the process of diffusion. These things go through the stomata, which are holes at the lower part of the leaves, and lenticel along the length of what? The stem. Now, solid waste such as tannin, mucilage, gum, alkaloids, resins, etc. are stored at the back of the stem or the leaves, now which are eliminated through peeling and what? Leaf fall respectively. Peeling of the back of the roots of the leaves and the peeling of the back of the stem and the leaves that drop and fall. That way, this solid waste will leave the plant. So next we want to look at the liver. This is the structure of the liver in association with the duodenum and the pancreas. As you can see, you have the liver, the hepatic duct inside the liver, you have the cystic duct leading to the gallbladder, and you also have the bile duct. Bile duct is it, the bile duct is the pancreas. So what happens here? You are looking at the liver is a reddish brown organ. As you can see, it's a reddish brown organ lying against the posterior surface of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is somewhere around there. So the liver is lying against the posterior surface and partly covered by the stomach. Now we did not show the diagram of the stomach, but the liver is actually partly covered by the stomach. It is directly connected to the alimentary canal by the hepatic portal vein, which delivers it to the blood, containing very high concentration of absorbed food molecules. The function of the liver will be explained next. One of it is regulation of the blood sugar. Excess sugar is converted to glycogen in the liver and stored in the liver. The detoxification of harmful drugs and chemicals that enter our body, the liver helps to do that. It helps in maintenance of blood plasma protein. You know what a blood plasma protein? Our body requires some level of protein. So the liver helps in doing what? Manufacturing the blood plasma protein. Then deamination of protein. So another function of the liver. We have storage of iron, storage of vitamins A and D, the production of bile inside the gall bladder. Then the production of heat or regulation of the body what temperature is done by the liver. Then formation and breakdown of the red blood cells. The red blood cells are formed and they are broken down after a while. Then reservoir of blood. You notice that the liver is filled with a lot of blood naturally when you see it physically. So what are the diseases of the liver? We have a viral hepatitis, which is called the jaundice. We have a cancer of the liver. We have a gallstone, amoebic liver abscess. These are some of the diseases of the liver. So in our next class, we are going to consider the mammalian skin. Introducing us to the mammalian skin, you should know that the skin is composed of two main parts. We have the outer epidermis and the inner what? Dermis. The outer, what's the nose?